In addition, the field of architecture can be comprehensively understood as a complex and intricate folding art form. This HarmonyOS folding computer not only meets my functional needs, its design itself also coincides with architectural aesthetics. When unfolded, we need a comprehensive view like this one. When fully open, the big screen is 18 inches, ideal for viewing CAD design drawings, and rendering effect details are exceptionally clear. With this folding computer, I find it very convenient for designing or leading a team, as it simplifies the planning process, improves communication among members, and encourages effective collaboration to successfully achieve our shared goals. Because it has a small meeting management function that helps you record everything during your meetings. It essentially acts as your intelligent secretary. With this versatile folding computer, I am able to view it anytime and anywhere I choose to go, which is very convenient. In this modern era, technological development is progressing rapidly, and many people strongly oppose the emergence of artificial intelligence. Good technology such as HarmonyOS AI can certainly help me by enhancing my work efficiency and boosting my overall productivity in daily professional tasks. The innovative and practical folding form of this Harmony computer significantly brings daily convenience to my life, and even its elegant design aesthetics continuously inspire me. It makes me believe that as long as we are human-centered, the future of technology will definitely be better.